Hello, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing video of Dashing with Us. Guys, today I'm going to tell you 5 random. Omar, what is it, Ali? Don't you see that I'm shooting a video?
Actually, I've got a parcel from Amazon.
Oh. Oh my god! I think that my mic has arrived. Guys, let's quickly unbox this item. 5 random fun facts video cancelled. Now I'm going to unbox this mic first. Guys, I've opened that box and this is what I got from it. Guys, this is a professional collar mic which I would be using for content creation and making videos with better sound quality. Guys, this mic is of Maono company and it is a lavalier microphone which will give professional audio, and it is an omnidirectional mic. Guys, if you don't know that what is an omnidirectional mic, then please check out the video link in the description below. I have made that video in which I have told about omnidirectional mics, single directional mics, etc. If you want to know that which mic do you require, please see that video. If you want the link of this mic, then it is there in the description below. Please do check this mic out. And guys, before unboxing this mic, let me quickly first show you all the box. So on the top we are having the company name, on the side the specifications and features. Over here we are having a smartphone, camera, presentation and interview and computer written, and then behind it also we are having the address and the QR code. So now let's quickly open this mic. So I'm just opening it and taking out all the components. So first we are having this Ziploc bag in which we are having this pin which is there. This is a TRRS to TRS pin and it would be helpful to connect our mic to our computer systems and laptops as well. The next thing which we are having is this. It is a waterproof case for carrying a mic and I liked it a lot because it is of good quality. And the last thing which we are having inside this box is the user manual and the cards, etc., visiting cards. So let's keep these visiting cards aside. Let's keep this aside. Inside this pouch only we are having a mic. Let's keep this aside first and just let's quickly open the Ziploc bag. So I'm just taking out. So we are having this inside the Ziploc bag and this, and the last thing is we are having one more Ziploc bag inside it. So let me quickly tell you that this component is used to attach it to the microphone so that we can easily attach it to our collars and to our clothing. So let's keep it aside and let me quickly open this. So guys, we have got 2 of them, so in case we have lost one or it is the one is broken, we can use the other one. And the third thing which we are having is the TRRS to TRS, and it would be very helpful guys when you would be when you want to connect this mic to your computer system. And let me now quickly show you all the mic, and let me keep these things aside. And now we are having the mic. So let me quickly open it and let me quickly show you. So we are having only the mic inside this pouch, and let me quickly open this and guys, this wire, the length of the wire is approximately 2 meters according to the user manual. So here we are having, and let me quickly bring that item also. So to convert this TRRS to a TRS, we just have to take this and connect it like this, and now it will be we will be easily able to connect this to our computer system, and we will be able to use it as our computer microphone or laptop microphone as well. So let me quickly tell you all about this mic a little more. Guys, let me quickly tell you all that this is an omnidirectional mic, which means that I can place this mic over here also, and then I can easily talk to you all. So it can capture audio from a distance also. And one more thing which I like about this mic is that you can easily remove its pop filter, and if you want you can easily attach it also. So this is one thing. because most of the mics do not come with the pop filter, so it is good that this mic is coming with the pop filter. And now guys, let me quickly show you that how you would be attaching that clip to your mic. So just take this clip, place the wire inside it, this circle, and then just you have to screw it like this, and then it's there. It's now attached to your mic. And now let me quickly show you that how can you use this clip. You can use this clip as you use any other normal clip. So just take it, bring it near your clothing, and then just put it like this. And guys, I'm not asking you all to attach it to your sleeves, because you have to attach it somewhere near your mouth, so you can easily attach it to your collars, etc. And if you want, you can just remove this clip and use it like a normal microphone. You can hold it with your hand, and if you want, then you can use like that. The one thing which I like about this mic is that it has a very long wire. So if your camera or your system is kept a little far from you, then also people would be getting crystal clear audio, and really you would be able to make very good videos with it. If you are also a content creator, guys, like me, then I will surely suggest you this mic, because it is a budget mic and it offers good quality audio, and it is branded also. It is of Maono company, which is one of the best in making mics. So let me quickly tell you guys that I bought this mic. The price of this mic was $399. Now I think the price must have fluctuated, because at that time it was sale. So let me quickly give you that how the voice comes from this mic. I'm attaching it to my mobile phone now, and now you'll be hearing voice directly from this mic. Okay guys, so the voice which you are hearing now is coming from the Maono Lavalier microphone AU-400, and I hope that this audio is crystal clear. One thing more guys, that let me quickly tell you about the noise cancellation of this mic. So I will keep myself muted for a minute, and then you can easily check the noise cancellation of the mic. So guys, I hope that you have seen the noise cancellation of this mic also, and you enjoyed the hearing from this mic. And if you enjoyed guys, then quickly comment down and tell that how was this mic, whether you enjoyed it or not. One thing more guys, please quickly drag down or swipe down and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video, like this video, and tell me that which video do you all want next in the comment section. I will come very soon back with another amazing video. Till then, goodbye, take care.